Good morning, students. So today we'll be doing the question and answers of the chapter. The name of our chapter is Albert Einstein at School. We are doing the question and answers of this chapter. The first question is, what do you understand of Einstein's nature from his conversations with his history teacher, his mathematics teacher, and the head teacher? So Einstein was not contented with the school education in Germany. He considered it vain. His history teacher asked him the dates of wars which were fought. He believed that learning facts was not education. For him, education meant ideas. His history teacher and the head teacher were very angry with him on that score, but the mathematics teacher had all sympathy for him. He understood how intelligent Einstein really was. The head teacher expelled him from school. He wanted to speak against him at his school, but he controlled himself. He never did a thing which he didn't believe to be right. Coming to the second question is, the school system often curbs individuals' talents. Discuss. And the answer given to this question is, it can be said that school education often curbs individual talent. School education system means teaching in four walls. The students are compelled to read all the subjects even if they are unproductive. Actually, it has been seen that schools interfere with the free growth and development of the children. They are bounded by the limits. Too many restrictions and formalities are hindrance in their development. They are forced to study the subjects which they do not like. It kills the creative instinct in children. Children need freedom. Without freedom, no physical or mental growth is possible. School education should not be heavy and dull. Means of entertainment must be provided to them. Education is not just facts, figures, and dates. Education must be provided according to their choice. Then our school can produce geniuses like Einstein. The last and the third question is, how do you distinguish between information gathering and insight formation? Education is not confined to mere information gathering. Information only keeps us well informed about things. Albert did not like it. The value of information is not enough for a student. The history teacher asked him, when the Persians defeated the French at Waterloo, it only indicates about an information. He wanted to know anything new that might be proved useful in life. He did not like the things learned by heart. Ideas are the basis of education, so insight formation must be the aim of education. Data collection is not important for a school student. Education must be constructive and useful for life. The real growth and development of mind is more important than mere information gathering. Ideas are the essence of real education. Without the basics, the ideas, education will be reduced to mere dead formalities and information gathering. So please do them in your notebooks. Have a good day, all of you.